I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cookies for sale. First, understand your local food safety laws and secure any required permits. Next, perfect your cookie recipes, ensuring they taste great and maintain quality. Finally, calculate all your ingredient expenses to set a competitive yet profitable price for your delicious treats. Now, let's talk about the baking process. Always use fresh, high-quality ingredients to ensure your cookies are consistently delicious. Maintain a clean workspace and follow strict hygiene protocols to meet health standards. When packaging, choose materials that protect freshness and present your cookies beautifully, making them irresistible to buyers. Marketing is key to reaching your customers. Develop a memorable brand identity and a catchy logo that reflects your cookie business. Leverage social media platforms like Instagram and Facebook to display your mouth-watering creations. Consider offering small samples or introductory discounts to entice new customers and build a loyal following. Finally, let's discuss pricing and sales. Set your prices carefully, ensuring they cover all costs and provide a good profit margin. Explore multiple sales avenues, from local farmers markets to a dedicated online shop. Offering various package sizes, like a half dozen or a full dozen, can appeal to a wider range of customers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.